Hey everyone. All right, so I have a whiteboard, I have a marker, and I'm ready to show some things I already understand. When we do the quick review, our hope is that you've seen some of these things before, but maybe now we're going to twist it just a little bit like we are today. I recognize this, right? This says 1 out of 3, and usually we had talked about fractions of a whole. So we would take one pizza and cut it into 3 parts. But you can also have a fraction of a group. So take a look at what we have here. We have 1, 2, 3 circles in all. That's the denominator. 3 in all. They want me to circle one of them. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to circle 1 out of 3. See? So 1 out of the total 3 is being circled. This is called fraction of a group. Very similar. It should feel pretty good to you. Like when you're looking, 1 out of 4. 4 circles in all. That's the denominator. The numerator tells us how many are going to be colored in, or in this case, circled. So we're going to circle 1 of the 4. The next one is rough. I'm going to go ahead and have you circle 2 out of the 4. And then we're going to talk about how that could have another name. Okay? So the first instruction is circle 2 out of the 4. Yep, there's 4 here. I see them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4. I need to circle 2 of them. Here we go. So how could this also be the same thing as circling 1 of the 2? So you'd have to think about this very differently. You'd have to think about this as, instead of being 1, 2, 3, 4 circles, there's actually 2 groups that we're looking at. We're looking at one group over here and another group over here, and then we're circling one of the 2 groups. This one is not gonna feel like something you've done before. Little bit tricky. It's getting into what are called equivalent fractions, which we will get to in 2 years. Next, you should feel good about this one again. Circle 3 out of the 5. Circle 2 out of the 3. So if you drew 3 circles on your whiteboard, you're going to circle 2 of them, right? If you drew 5 circles on your whiteboard, you're going to circle 3 of them. Just reviewing fractions of a whole is what we've already done. Now we're looking at fractions of a group. Right? So a little bit old and maybe a little bit new. Thanks, guys.